Hi everyone, my name is Michael Reese. I'm the CEO and co-founder at Barnwell Bio, and we're turning animal byproducts into biosecurity for poultry and livestock farms. Managing animal health is a top priority when running a commercial farm, yet it can take a really long time to understand the source of a disease outbreak. The result are significant productivity losses associated with undiagnosed disease. The current avian influenza crisis, I think, really underscores this. Last year, in the US alone, about 50 million birds were culled due to the virus. This is about 15% of the total number of chickens. In addition to the economic burden, the high egg prices, there's a real palpable sense of fear among producers where they could be doing everything right and yet something pops up on the farm. It's too late for them to respond. Luckily, we have a tool. During the COVID-19 pandemic, cities were leveraging municipal wastewater to understand how the virus was spreading, how it was changing. And at Barnwell Bio, we're taking a similar approach to help secure our food system. How it works, the farms collect a sample. This takes a few minutes per week. We sequence all of these samples, so we're looking at all of the DNA and RNA in each sample that we're looking at. We process that data and we turn that into insights for the farm and for folks across the ag supply chain. What we're building is the most comprehensive view of animal health that a farm or a vet could get, all from one sample. Right now we're focused on disease and outbreaks and really helping them identify when there is an issue, what that issue might be, and how they should respond. Very quickly, we want to start looking at nutrition biomarkers, sustainability biomarkers, and again, this is all coming from one sample. Other surveillance solutions that exist are often quite symptom-driven, so they do a good job at telling farms if there are symptoms, but as you can imagine, lots of different pathogens can cause the same symptoms. And so what we can do is say, here's the signal that we're seeing in the waste stream, and here's what you should do about it. Right now, we're focused on large livestock farms in the US, specifically in the poultry industry. But you can imagine that as we have more farms in our network, this data becomes really interesting to pharmaceutical companies thinking about the next treatment that they're going to develop, feed and feed additive companies thinking about market access campaigns. So our goal is to really drive efficiency across the animal health supply chain. The Barnwell Bio founding team comes from the company that started and scaled our nation's COVID-19 wastewater monitoring infrastructure, and we're excited to take our expertise into this vertical. We're also supported by an amazing team of animal health experts and vets who are helping to make sure that the data we're generating are relevant and useful for the farms. We're a little bit over a year old. We made a lot of progress in that time. We developed the first version of our product. It's out in market now. We have our first customers. We won a grant to develop an assay for bird flu that was covered in Time magazine. I'm also happy to report a couple months ago we closed a $4.5 million seed round. And so we're really excited about this next phase of growth, and I'm looking forward to any questions you have. Thanks so much.